Stop.
Stop manhandling.
Stop. Sit down.
You're gonna get it. Yo.
The 2nd of June, 2024, South Florida. A woman struck a grocery store employee in the face in the presence of law enforcement officers, then physically resisted arrest. She was charged with battery and resisting arrest.
Get off of me.
Stop.
Get off of me.
Don't do it.
Stop.
Don't do it.
Stop. Stop. Stop.
Don't
Relax.
do it.
Relax. Relax.
Get off
You're
of
under
me.
arrest for battery. Stop.
Oh my
Stop.
God.
Relax.
Can you get off
Relax.
of me? I'm pissing my pants.
Awesome.
What the?
She's not going anywhere.
Get
Relax.
off. I can do it nicely. Get off of me.
Stop moving and give me your hands.
Stop. You're gonna get yourself in trouble.
You
Stop.
don't need to do that, dude.
All right. Move your hand. Just
You're
move
gonna
it.
get yourself in trouble.
Move.
You didn't even use your words.
Stop kicking me or you're going to get another charge. Stop.
Calm down, Melissa.
Stop.
Calm down.
Stop.
Gonna move your wrist.
Just calm down. Alright?
There you go.
Let's hear what they have to say. I don't know what happened here.
Well, they didn't even want to say anything.
It's not that serious. Relax.
Something happened.
Relax.
Yeah, just relax a little bit. Alright? Come sit down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not going anywhere, Pedro.
Are you her driver?
Yeah. I will
Awesome.
Just calm down.
There you go.
You gotta sit down.
What was all that about?
Yeah.
What was all that about?
Sit down.
Thanks, punk.
Sit down.
Relax.
Stop manhandling.
Stop. Sit down.
You're gonna get a yo.
Stop.
Listen, you're gonna get another charge.
Stop
Relax.
manhandling.
Relax. Relax. See if you
Well,
want some
then
medicine.
get off of
See
me
if you
and
want some
talk to
medicine.
me like
Sit
a
down.
person.
Sit down.
Here, I got her. Sit down. Relax.
Just calm down.
You want the medics?
Yeah, I do.
Here, go talk to him. I got this.
Can I have my other headphones,
I will
please?
grab it. Okay.
Can you help me
Come
put
here.
it away
Here,
like
give me
I
this.
wanted to
Give me your
do in
phone.
the first place?
Give me your phone. Give me your phone.
Just calm down.
Give me your phone. Okay. Take a deep breath. Okay.
And the headphones should be.
I got you. Take a deep breath. Relax. Are you having a bad day?
Having a bad life.
Listen to me. It's okay. You can have bad days, right? But you can't go around punching people in the face.
I'm sick of the comments, man. I get it all day long because I'm a pretty girl and I'm sick of it.
I mean, it's a blessing. I get it, though. I get it. I get it. Take a deep breath, okay? Relax, okay? Relax, okay? We're gonna figure this out, okay? I don't like treating people like that, okay? That's why I was trying to get you to calm down. Where are you staying? Do you have ID on you?
Yeah.
Is it inside? Can I go in there and grab it, please? Okay. So listen. We can't be doing stuff like that, okay? It's a little bit different in South Florida. I understand the comments and stuff like that, but you know what they say? Beauty is pain. Right? Don't even. It's not even.
Everybody knows what the f that means. Talk to me like I'm stupid.
Yeah, but listen.
I'm sick of that shit, man.
I know, but listen.
Try and cover that shit up as if it's something else.
Listen, don't even play with me. You got a phone? You have a phone?
Tommy, talk to me. What happened?
No, it was just a very... Okay, so I was getting ready to empty the garbage.
Did you get that from her?
Yeah.
So what happened?
He walked by with all this, and I was exerting some, what I thought, dry humor. So the cart passed by, and I go, she's very thirsty. I said it to him. And she goes like this, and then she comes up to me, and I don't remember if she said anything, but I thought do you want to mess with me, or something of that nature. And I thought she was joking, like she was going to pretend to hit me. You know, you want to mess with me, you know, kind of like that. So I just stood there, and then she actually made contact and punched me.
With what hand?
With, I believe, her right hand.
Once? And that's how you're bleeding?
Yeah.
All right. Do you want to press charges on her? Do you want to get arrested?
Well, you know, I'll probably be okay, but I'm thinking she can't keep doing this.
I get that. Can I at least get your ID, Tommy?
Huh?
Can I at least get your ID?
I mean, and I don't need this. I got enough going on.
92269.
And I was actually just trying to be friendly. And not even really to her. Just to anybody who was going out. I mean, you might want to ask.
Florida Statute 901.15, subsection 1, authorizes a warrantless arrest when a misdemeanor or felony is committed directly in an officer's presence. No warrant, no victim consent, and no supervisory approval are required. Witnessing the battery firsthand gave officers immediate and constitutionally valid authority to arrest. Florida Statute 784.03 defines simple battery as any actual and intentional touching or striking of another person against that person's will. No serious injury and no weapon are required. A single punch that makes deliberate contact fully satisfies the statutory elements of the offense. Florida courts have consistently held that verbal provocation, however offensive or harassing, does not constitute a legal defense to battery. The law recognizes no right to use physical force in response to words alone. This principle applies regardless of the perceived severity of the remark.
Ask her what I said. Maybe she thought I said something else. I just go, wow, she's really thirsty.
So you said...
You know, it's kind of like, wow, she's really thirsty, but I'm...
So you said, wow, she's really thirsty, and she said, what are you trying to mess with me? And then that's when she punched you in the face?
Something to the effect of that, yeah. You know, pretty much like with anybody. It wasn't even
What's
specific
your phone number,
to her.
sir? And you said you don't need the medics?
I don't think so. My tooth, it's not like my tooth are...
Gotcha. Do you want to press charges on it or not? Do you want her to go to jail for what she's done or not?
Well, what happens if we just let her go? We just let her go?
Okay. Well, that's why I got to ask these questions, Tommy. It's not up to me. This lady punched him in the face one time.
Here's exactly what happened. I was getting ready to empty the garbage, and of course you can review the CCTV or whatever. I mean, I was getting ready to empty the garbage, and he, Jafar, who's a witness, I don't know where he is, he was coming through with the water, and I was going to say whatever I was going to say, regardless of who it was. It was like, I thought it was like dry humor. I just go, wow, she's really thirsty, or it must be really thirsty, you know, because the whole cart is water. And then she goes like this. She goes, you want to mess with me? Bam! And I just stood there because I actually thought she was kidding. You know, you want to mess with me? Wink, 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 or something. I had no idea that she was actually going to make contact. And they keep asking if I want to arrest her, but I feel like...
So this is her?
Yeah. But it's like,
you're her driver, right?
It wasn't derogatory.
What?
You're gonna arrest her, or still trying to decide?
I'm still trying to decide.
Okay, yeah. Maybe you need to find out what happened, man.
Well, we know what happened.
I mean, I see it.
We know what happened.
I mean, she's obviously going to keep doing it.
Tommy, we need a decision right now.
Yeah, decide what you're going to do. What is there to decide?
All right, I'm going to arrest her.
That up to you. I don't really think
I'm going to have her arrested.
Yeah.
We'll go to court.
Come on.
She needs to go through the process. You know, I got arrested once. I got a DUI in 2010. And I needed to hear it.
Changed to 31.
Yeah, 419.
All right. Put her in the corner.
Are you going to take out my water?
No, that's not going with you because you're going to jail. That's what happens when you punch people in the face in front of the police. And then you fight with us as we're arresting you. 922-691. What's one case number, please?
Society. Arresting somebody crying for water.
922-69 will be 9551. 9551.
I'll be fine, right?
Yeah, 419-20.
I got her.
I'm going to take this off, okay?
You're going to have to do it through. It's over top. It's not a clip.
Okay. So okay, I have to take it off like this?
You might have to undo one of them.
No. Handcuffs are not coming off. My wrist hurts because I was fighting with you, bro. Are you serious?
You didn't even use your words.
I don't have to use my words. Once we say you're going to jail, that's it. That's how it works.
You clearly don't know how to follow steps of procedure. And so finally come in for one man to have a story. His life good for you.
Here.
I'm so proud of you. Racism. Hold on, I'm sure you're so proud of yourself. Maybe you can go home and masturbate about it later. Ooh, did I run? No, I didn't. Look at the...
Tommy!
Oh, Tommy, masturbate about him too.
Have Katie.
In Graham versus Connor 1989, the Supreme Court held that the reasonableness of force must be judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene, not with hindsight. The court established 3 governing factors: severity of the crime at issue, whether the subject poses an immediate threat, and whether the subject is actively resisting or attempting to evade arrest. All 3 factors supported the level of restraint applied in this incident. Florida Statute 843.02 classifies resisting an officer without violence as a first-degree misdemeanor carrying a maximum of 1 year in county jail. Florida Statute 843.01 elevates the charge to a third-degree felony with up to 5 years in state prison when the subject offers or does violence to the arresting officer. The distinction is determined solely by whether physical force was directed at officers during the arrest itself. Under Draper v. United States 1959 and United States v. Watson 1976, probable cause requires only a reasonable belief that an offense was committed, not absolute certainty. Direct officer observation of a battery in progress satisfies this standard conclusively. Active resistance following a lawful arrest does not retroactively undermine the constitutional validity of that arrest. Lesson: resisting a lawful arrest in Florida transforms a single misdemeanor into potential felony exposure under Statute 843.01. Physical retaliation in response to verbal provocation carries no legal justification and creates independent criminal liability. Citizens retain the right to contest an arrest, but that right is exercised through the courts, not through physical resistance at the scene. Officers are not constitutionally required to exhaust verbal commands before applying physical control when a subject is actively resisting a lawful arrest. Under the 14th Amendment due process standard, the legality of restraint is assessed against what was objectively reasonable in the moment, not against what the subject believed should have occurred.